Welcome to AI in White Coats. Today I'm going to talk about the roadmap to become an AI expert. I'm going to be moving at a slow pace so that everybody can try to understand, because at this rate we all need to know AI expert, because AI is needed in businesses, schools, hospitals, in everything we do. As for 2025, many companies are going to be looking for AI experts. Many organizations are going to be looking for AI experts. So if you want to get jobs at a faster rate, and if you want to earn at a faster rate, you need to learn AI and you need to become an AI expert. Once you master that sector, employers or the HRs are going to be looking for you in such sector. So this is the flow or the roadmap if you want to become an AI expert. One of the things you need to do is you need to learn foundations. Foundations you need to learn mathematics. After learning mathematics, you need to learn linear algebra, you need to learn calculus, and you need to learn probability. So after mastering that foundation, then you need to learn programming. Under programming, you need to learn Python, you need to learn NumPy, which is NUMPY. You need to learn pandas, and you need to learn matplotlib. After mastering that sector, then you have to go to CS basics. CS basics, that is computer science basics. Computer science basics, you need to learn algorithms, then you need to learn data structures. After mastering that sector, then you learn machine learning. In machine learning, the topics you need to focus on, we have the topics we call supervised and then unsupervised. Then we have reinforcement learning. Those three are very helpful in learning machine learning. Then we have tools that you need to use if you are learning machine learning. The best tool I can recommend, there are many tools all over the internet and all over social media. Everywhere you can search it in different websites. But the tool I can recommend is scikit-learn. Then if you want to master deep learning, the topics you need to focus on is what we call the neural network. Neural network composed of CNN, RNN, and then transformers. CNN, that is convolutional neural network, is regularized type of feed-forward neural network that learns features by itself via filters. Optimization, that is the CNN. After learning the CNN, then we have what we call the recurrent neural network. The recurrent neural network, that is RNN, is a deep learning model that is trained to process and convert sequential data input into a specific sequential data output. So after learning that, then you need to learn what we call the transformers. After learning transformers, then you are well to go with the mastery of deep learning. After that, the tools you need to use if you want to learn the CNN, RNN, and transformers, you need to use the PyTorch. PyTorch, PyTorch. Then TensorFlow, anyone who is interested in AI, I think you are familiar with such tools. Then we have the specialization. You need to specialize in NLP and then computer vision. NLP, that is natural language model, or natural language programming, NLP. And NLP, we have what we call text analysis. Text analysis, then we have transformers, as we talked about them in deep learning. Under transformers, we have BERT, B-E-R-T. Then we have GPT. You can focus in that sector. Then under NLP and computer vision, we have CV. The CV is basically about image classification and object detection. In image classification, we have there's YOLO and then GANs, GANS. So after learning all that sector, after learning machine learning, mastering deep learning, you have learned foundations in programming, you have learned some mathematics, linear algebra, calculus, and then probability. Then you have under CS basics, you have learned some algorithm and data structure. Then after that, you have specialized in your NLP and computer vision. Then the next step is to build you have to build a project. In building a project, you have to build a project in machine learning, NLP, and then CV. There are many projects you can think of that are under machine learning, that are under NLP, that are under CV. There are many topics, but as a person who want to develop as an AI expert in ML machine learning, you can start building a project in stock product prediction, where you can predict products in certain stocks. Those are some of them are used in supermarkets, they are used in markets, they are used in schools like campuses, the stock product predictions. Then you can also, under NLP, you can build chatbots, you can build sentiment analysis, you can build, there are many, especially chatbots now. Now there are many professors at campus that need chatbots, because some professors have a lot of students in different sectors. So they need chatbots to help them answer students in certain sectors where they are not available. So you can build that, and then you can make a lot of good money in such sectors. In CV, you can build what we call face mask detection. Face mask detection, it can be used in malls, in hospitals. In hospitals, the entries say, the entries where they are checking whether you have a weapon in your pocket or not. So you can do that also, where it can check face mask detection. That is used in CV. Then after learning that, then you can go ahead and learn advanced topics. After mastering all what we have talked about, then you can go ahead and learn advanced topics. Advanced topics, we have reinforcement learning, we have generative AI, and then we have AI ethics. Those are the three topics you can focus on: reinforcement learning, generative AI, and then AI ethics. Then after mastering that, you can go ahead on the basic tools and deployments you can use. Of course, I also am learning. I am teaching you. At the same time, I am going to implement what I'm teaching you, because I'm also a student, as most of you who are eager to learn AI. I'm also researching about AI, and I'm learning about AI as well. So the tools that we are being recommended most of by the professors, and which we have seen that are viral and are working. Tools and deployments you can use, for example, for cloud, you can use AWS, GCP, and then Azure. Azure is Azure. Then after those tools for deployment, you can use what we call Flask, Docker, and then Streamlit. Those three: Flask, Docker, and then Streamlit. Then for cloud we talked about AWS, GCP, and then Azure. Those three. Then after that, after mastering all that as your tools and deployment, you have went ahead and learned reinforcement learning, generative AI, AI ethics. After mastering all those sectors, as an AI expert, you have now become an AI expert. You have to stay updated. How do we stay updated? You have to follow AI researchers. You have to read papers, different newspapers. You have to follow news concerning AI. You have to join communities. Communities, basically, there are many communities for AI and then technology. We have Kaggle and then Reddit. There are many people that use Discord. Discord is also recommended, but Discord, I was told that Discord is more of gamers and what, but also Discord contains tech and then AI a lot. So after that, you have to practice and collaborate. That is very important, because AI is a skill. We are learning it. We must practice it. We must compete. So for example, you can compete on Kaggle. For example, you can contribute on to GitHub. Most of you know GitHub. And then after that, you can network. Networking, you can use LinkedIn. LinkedIn, especially because now LinkedIn premium package is not expensive. So you can use LinkedIn and many other platforms. Also Discord, you can practice and collaborate. So the time frames you need to focus on, the time frame to learn all of that, because everything requires time. The time depends on your dedication and your daily practice. When you're practicing each and every day, to learn basics, it requires you like 6 months to 12 months to master all the basics about AI. Then to become an expert, you require 2 years. to 4 years to become an expert. Now, if some of us, we are studying it as a course at college, you can choose to join college. You can choose to study online, because there are many platforms online that you can access. Like you have said, as long as you have your flow, there are many available free platforms that you can learn different packages, different style, different things. And most important thing, you must start small, stay consistent, and build projects. Every step you reach on, make sure you research about it and then build the project. Just know, if you focus on the flow and the things you have talked about, 2025 will not be a struggle for you. You will not also complain that AI is going to take our jobs, AI is taking our jobs. No, leave away those rumors of AI replacing people. No, you must learn AI. After learning AI, then you are going to benefit from it. As the CEO of Google and Nvidia said, if you ignore AI, then the world would leave you behind. But if you adapt to AI and use it, then you are going to benefit from it. So just learn AI, start small, stay consistent, and build different projects. After that, you will see how you are going to benefit in the evolving technology. And hey, if you enjoyed this, hit that button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and creativity. Let's shape the future together. Thank you very much. See you.